I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys my curtain ceiling track. The reason why I decided to go with a ceiling track instead of a regular curtain rod is because I really like the aesthetic of having the curtains start at the ceiling and hit to the floor. I like that the track blends into the ceiling. I actually had mine installed by a professional handyman, so I didn't do the work, but the ceiling track comes in rolled up and you just have to unroll it and keep it straight for 24 hours, and that way it'll be easily malleable when you're attaching it to the ceiling or the wall. So it does have attachments for both the ceiling and the wall if you choose. I'm very happy with the way that it looks. I think that the wheels on the track easily roll back and forward. I never have any problem opening and closing my curtains. And that's my point of view.